Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll be showing you the rest of my 2016 4th of July fireworks stash. Start over here. Right here we got a 6-pack of Morning Glories. And then this 2-color spaceship. Mega Banger. Jumbo Wolfpack Bottle Rockets, 12-pack. Phantom Fireworks. Phantom Fireworks again, Jumbo Whistling Wolfpack Bottle Rockets, 12-pack. And then right here we got the standard bottle rockets, Phantom Fireworks. Up here we got 2 bags of smoke balls, Phantom Fireworks. Ground balloon flowers, Phantom Fireworks. And then these firecrackers. This one was a Mega Banger firecracker. This one's a Wolfpack firecracker and a Jumbo Silver Salute. And these Mega Banger firecrackers were $5.99. Here's the Wolfpack firecrackers. Some more Morning Glories. Crackling Silver Salutes. M98 cracker, 36. Right here we got this like Chinese one, King Tut. I think it's like a I like them, they're pretty good. It's like a single shot salute. Over here we got a Shogun Omaha double burst shell number 4, red plus blue shell, crown willow shell, silver tail, $4.99. Over here we got the air color bomb number 3, performance, exploded high in the sky with red color stars bomb. This is a red one. This one was $4.49. And back here we got this purple one from Brothers, number 5. This one was $7.99. And then we got this Wolfpack floral shell, but the base of it broke off. So, I mean, I don't know what we're going to do with this. I'll probably light it off some way. Back here we got Touchdown Brothers, 16 shots. Here's the performance of it. Back here we got the Copperhead mini shell mortar kit. I only have a couple left. I think there's 2 in there. Here I got this Color Pearl Roman candle. I got 3 lightning rods from Keystone Fireworks. I got these artillery rockets for $5. I lit 2 of them off. I have 2 more. And then right here I got this 6-shooter reloadable fountain from Keystone. There's all the ones that I have left. And then right here, got some destroyers. Got 2 of them, or I got 3 left. The other one's upstairs in the tube. These ones were $75. Here's all the performances. Alright, so that's my rest of my fireworks stash for 2016. Please like, comment, and subscribe.